Stuck on a problem that feels impossible to solve? What if I told you that the secret to unlocking breakthrough ideas is as simple as putting pen to paper? Journaling isn't just for writing down thoughts, it's a creative superpower that can transform the way you think. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use journaling to solve problems faster, spark creativity, and think like a genius. Let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Rosemary, and I will help you unlock your creativity and problem-solving potential.